Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a custom emails for your Shopify store. First of all, you want to go to settings here and check if your sender email is verified. So when you will verify your email here, now you want to click on customer notifications. And here you can actually find order processing, local pickup, local delivery, gift cards, order exceptions, and some payments, point of sale, and many more options. So for example, when a person orders your product, this is what they will get, order confirmation. So you can click on it, and as you can see, this is how it will look like. And this is how it will look like, your customer information, what they bought, and so on. You can actually edit the code here. But of course, before editing, we need to verify my email. But basically, this is where you can edit all of the code for your products. So this is one way how you can do this. Now, another thing would be to go to your brand, and you can actually add some logos here. So for example, let's add our logo. For example, this one. And this is how it will look like. Now we can also add some colors. So for example, let's choose primary colors of our store and the contrasting color. Let's see how it will look like. This is it. Secondary colors could be maybe yellow, like so. Some cover image, slogan. You can actually enter the slogan here. Channel. Short description, and you can also add some social links. So for example, like a YouTube video. And you can also add social links like YouTube and paste it here. And yeah, that's what you want to set up. You basically want to set up everything here, like add a cover image, a short description, and so on. Now, after you've done that, you want to go ahead and find in the applications Shopify emails. So I'm just going to write email. Let's see what we have here. This is the Shopify email you will need to use. So let's install it and open it. And here you want to create a new campaign. And you will be redirected to this page where you can actually add your logo, change it, remove it, add your store name, change the writing. For example, this one, change the background colors. Let's make our background more bright. Something like that. Basically, you can edit everything here, then you can save it. And you're gonna click next. So you're gonna choose what you want to send to your customers. So new arrivals, product restock, sale announcements. For example, you want to share your sale announcement with your customers. So you're just gonna select this one. Now you can actually edit everything here. And after that, you can enter the subject, preview text, and send a test here or just review it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you set up your Shopify emails. You can add as much as you like. Now let's go ahead again to our Shopify dashboard. Basically, when you go to marketing and campaigns and click on the shop announcement we just created, let's click on marketing. sale announcement. You can actually add the activity here, rename the campaign, change it, and so on and so forth. So basically that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.